Welcome to a new video on opportunities this week from Ravi Templetree. As the markets have been holding at the top, showing some tiredness, there are some stocks in the market which are doing rounds like kids in the ring. We have been talking about the automobile sector in the last couple of videos. Even in this video, we have a stock that is qualifying for a buy from the automobile sector. Last week, we had talked about Amara Raja batteries in our video, and along with that we had also posted a lot of other opportunities in our discussion group. Among them were stocks from the Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, M&M and Maruti that were available for opportunities last week. Amara Raja batteries did not trigger the buy levels that we had discussed in the video, while the signal for buy in Amara Raja is still holding good. You can get the new buy levels for Amara Raja batteries in the discussion group. Apart from Amara Raja batteries, all the other auto stocks have triggered their buy levels and have done extremely well. Among them, Tata Motors did a fantastic run with more than 15% gains in 1 week alone. This euphoria in the auto sector is because of the expectation that business is going to do great in the coming months. This is on back of the development that the chip shortage issue in the sector is going to get resolved. Chances of the talks are going on. And for Tata Motors, there is talks that they are likely to take over the Ford plants in India, and also they are going to get some new investor for their EV business. This is what is taking all the stocks in the auto sector up, and if business is going to be great and more vehicles are going to get manufactured, they need tires to run, right? So for tires market, there is a double benefit. One, when OEMs buy the tires for their new vehicles, and in the replacement market where people replace the tires. So this week we have a buying opportunity in Apollo Tyres, and Apollo Tyres has another advantage: it is qualified on the ranks. So you can buy Apollo Tyres when the stock price goes above 235.75 this week. When a stock qualifies on its chart pattern, it is a strong signal. If the same stock gets qualified even on the ranks, it is a super strong signal. Apollo Tyres has its earnings rank at 82.2, which means this stock is one among the top 20% stocks on profit growth the companies are making. So with the rank signal, Apollo Tyres also has given a breakout with very good volume. So all this coupled together looks like Apollo Tyres is going to give a fantastic run in the market. We already have JK Tyres in the top ranks, and now Apollo Tyres joins the group. So this is how whole sector begins to give massive returns to their investors. When most of the stocks in the sector qualify in top ranks, that sector itself performs well. Now JK Tyres and Apollo Tyres are in the buy in the tires industry group. So if you are buying Apollo Tyres when price goes above to 35.75, hold a stop loss and trail it, so you can maximize your profit as well as protect your capital. To get the stop loss for Apollo Tyres, and with that many other stocks that have buying opportunities this week in the market, all of them are published in our discussion group. You can join the discussion group by clicking on the link at the top of the description. We believe that Apollo Tyres will give us a beautiful money making journey. Thank you.